How to download private YouTube videos to gallery. Welcome to our video. Today, I'm going to show you how to download private videos to your gallery. Now here's the catch. Private videos are locked down, so you just can't grab them like a normal video. The only way this works is if the video owner gives you direct access. Once you're invited, you can open the video in your browser. And if you've been given the file link or they share it through Google Drive or Dropbox, you can save it straight into your gallery. There are no shortcuts around permission. If you don't have access, you can't download it. So the real solution is to ask the uploader to share it with you directly. Once you've got the file, just hit download and it'll be saved in your gallery like any other video. And that's it. Safe and simple. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful content.